Hey guys, this is Peter, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of Google's newest pieces of high-tech technology, which came out in 2016. This new cutting-edge technology is a revolutionary processing chip, which Google has dubbed the Tensor Processing Unit. Although this particular technology has not been made available to the public yet, Google has been using it as a component in some of their own infrastructure. When Google went public with this technology in 2016, it made enormous waves in the IT and computing communities, and here's why. The Tensor Processing Unit, or TPU for short, is a custom processing chip built for use in Google's massive data centers, which I'll speak more about later. This custom chip was built by Google to replace the central processing units and graphics processing units which they had previously used to process data for high-demand databases. In terms of computing, a single process can be understood as a computer executing a single command or job within the computer is a small piece of hardware called a processor. The processor's job is to process instructions for the computer by decoding program and file code. The TPU was built with the idea of slightly sacrificing processor accuracy for speed. This means it can process many more jobs in a much shorter time. The use of this is in data analysis and voice translations, which Google will apply in the future. So if you're anything like me, you're wondering why Google would spend so much time developing a new type of processing chip when the other processing chips could have gotten the job done just as well. The answer is Google's actually using this chip as a component in their AI development programs. Now, for AI development, you need to have a processing unit that's going to handle a lot of jobs and handle them in a broad range of scenarios. And Google actually put this chip to work in a computer called the AlphaGo, which is a computer that was pitted against a Go champion. Now, Go is a game that originated in China. It's a strategy game involving black stones and white stones, and both opponents are either trying to capture the opponent's stones or close out spaces so the opponent can't use them. Either way, you want to have more stones on the board than your opponent. The machine was able to predict further and predict things faster because of the chip it used. Having the TPU marks a potential turning point in the fields of information sciences and computing. Having so much processing power available means artificial intelligence as a computing discipline can begin to grow in ways it has not been able to ever before. It is important to understand that artificial intelligence is not referring to self-aware machines, but rather machines learning. Machine learning refers to machines being able to change and execute programs in light of being exposed to new data. The TPU chip has also been referred to as an accelerator chip, which is not simply an allusion to the speed of the chip. Within computing, there exists a concept called Moore's Law, which simply states that processing speeds and overall processing power for computers doubles every 2 years. According to industry experts, Google's TPU has jumped at least 3 generations of Moore's Law. This means that because of this chip, our computing potential has skyrocketed, and we can now make computer advancements in leaps and bounds. So this has been my presentation on Google's TPU chip. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.